Yeah, so you see this is the toolkit. Okay, so that's your tester, that's your meter, you know, that's a whole lot of stuff in it. Alright, you see your soldering iron, your screwdrivers, okay, your jumper, your cutter, your plier, and the stuff. Alright, so that is the RJ45 there for you, the RJ45 in there for you. Alright, so everything is in here. Okay, and you can see that's your keystone jack. Alright, that's your keystone jack, and then network cable. Alright, you see 50 meters has 5 feet. Okay, so everything summing up to 300 cedis. Alright, just link up and let me get yours for you if you have not gotten yours already.